Everyone. My name is Naren, and today I'm going to present to you my project. So this project demonstrates for loop in Python by drawing a triangle of asterisks. The star like this. The program asks the user to enter the size of the triangle in the number of rows, and then draws a triangle. So by drawing a triangle on paper, I noticed each row can be drawn by repeating a block of a space plus asterisk the current row number of times. And I also noticed that at the start of each row, spaces need to be there. And the spaces need to be the total number of rows minus the current row it's on. So that will be, in this case, it's 5 minus 4 equals 1. And then 5 minus 3 equals 2. 5 minus 2 equals 3. And 5 minus 1 equals 4. Okay. So next, here's my code. So first we ask the user for the input, which we ask please enter a number between 2 and 20 for the number of rows. Next, we input it and make it into an integer because we need it to be an integer. And then we check if it's between 2 and 20 or else because we need to know if the triangle will be just the perfect size in the middle, too big or too small. So next we create the block which is the space plus asterisk, and then we do the for loop which is for row number in range 1 to the total rows plus 1, which is 1 to the total inputted number of rows plus 1 because if we input 5 it will be 1, 2, 3, 4. It will print 1, 2, 3, and 4. It won't print 5, so that's why we need the plus 1. Next, we create a variable which is row block, which is for the full row. It will be the row number times block. And in Python, you can multiply strings by you can multiply strings because it will copy the strings the number of times needed. Next, we create the num spaces, which is the number of spaces, which is total rows minus row number, which I told you in the presentation. And then we print the full row, which is the spaces plus row block. So that will equal the full row, and then we print the full row. And over here, the else part is for the if it's not between 2 and 20, we print please restart and enter a number between 2 and 20. I will show you now.